Volkswagen has finally revealed its all-new Amarok, ahead of its anticipated arrival in early 2023. The new Amarok is built on the same platform as the Ford Ranger, with power from a choice of 5 engines. Single and dual cab bodies will be offered depending on market, with a payload up to, almost, 1.2 tons and a brake towing capacity up to 3.5 tons. Volkswagen will offer 5 trim levels: Amarok, Life, Style, PanAmerica, and Aventura. VW's design team has worked hard, giving Amarok an X-shaped front bumper insert below the VW roundel, standard LED matrix headlights that taper into the tops of the fenders and unique rear light clusters. And just to clear up any lingering doubt, Amarok is stamped into the tailgate. This new Amarok is certainly more fun to look at than the last one, and it's bigger too. The wheelbase has grown 73mm to 3,270mm, which VW says delivers more room, especially for back seat passengers if you go for the optional double cab layout over the standard single cab design. But the overall length has only grown by 96mm because the overhangs have shrunk, which, together with an increase in weighting depth from 500mm to 800mm, should make it more useful off-road. VW's 4Motion all-PAW hardware is standard in some markets, optional in others, and comes in either selectable or permanent all-wheel drive forms, and with 6 driving modes to help you navigate tricky terrain. Inside, a 10.0-inch or a 12.0-inch portrait touchscreen infotainment system will feature in the middle of the dashboard. A digital instrument cluster will also feature. 12-inch touchscreen, 20 driver assistance aids. Arguably the biggest change over the old Amarok, however, is not the number of transmission ratios, but the drastically improved interior and the amount of luxury and safety kit offered. Exactly which goodies you get will depend on how far up the Amarok, Life, Style, PanAmerica and Aventura range ladder you climb, but there's a new digital instrument pack and 12-inch tablet infotainment system on all mid-spec models and above, plus 20 new driver assist systems including adaptive cruise control with road sign recognition for the first time. The engine lineup changes a little depending on market, though as you'd expect, VW says all available engines have been tuned specifically for torque. African models kick off with a 2.0-liter diesel that makes 148 horsepower, 150 PS, while other regions start with a 168 horsepower, 170 PS, version of the same motor, or buyers can step up to a bi-turbo derivative that whips up 206 horsepower. The top diesel option is a 3.0-liter V6 with 238 horsepower or 247 horsepower depending on market, but the most potent Amarok of all, and the only gasoline engine in the lineup, is a 2.3-liter turbocharged Ford EcoBoost 4 that makes 298 horsepower. Some low-spec models will get a manual transmission option, but order anything over 200 horses and you get a 10-speed auto, which replaces the 8-speeder fitted to the old truck.